So the task for today is to replace this. I was driving down the 405 and the thing just flew off. It got run over, so there was no point in stopping and trying to pick it up. So I ordered one from eBay, and it was red, and it was the only one that I could find. So there's the original color. Nice and scuffed. Time for primer. Here's the coat of primer on there. Just gonna let that dry. So I got this all finished up, color matched to match the Jeep. Only problem is this is super dirty, but it's so faded. It's on there and it doesn't look so bad. As I wash it and see how faded, maybe you can see the difference. All scratched up. But I think it's much better than how it was. It's not the prettiest job, but job done. That's what we do. Low budget.